We all want our employees to be more productive, and Microsoft Teams is the hub for productivity in the modern workplace. Now, with the newest addition to Nulia Works, users can continue developing Microsoft 365 skills with Nulia Works for Teams, meeting them right where they are, working in Teams. On the Nulia Works for Teams homepage, users can see the skills they've attained, the ones that need attention, and the ones they're currently working on. To help users fully unlock the value of Microsoft Teams, the Nulia Works Teams app offers tips and tricks to get the most out of Teams, and curated news from Microsoft on updated features and functions. Users will see a personalized recommendation guiding them to their next step, and here they can check out the latest badge and achievement they've earned. Nulia Works for Teams makes it easy to show off new skills. Badges can be posted on sites like LinkedIn right from the app. On the Skills page in Nulia Works for Teams, users can see their progress towards attaining and maintaining each skill. This is represented by the progress bars, which are based on the user's real Microsoft 365 usage. And here, our AI recommends new skills to try, and might even suggest advancing to the next digital maturity level on skills that have been attained and maintained. Users can take a closer look at their skills by launching the individual skill detail pages. Each skill is built around the core features users need to unlock the value of Microsoft 365 in the way that works for them. Skills are made up of activities grouped by digital maturity level, user, producer, and master. The Try It button takes users right to the Microsoft 365 app they need to give the activity a try. If the user needs a little help, resources are available to guide them to attain a skill in progress, or re-attain one that needs attention, all without ever leaving Teams. Nulia Works for Teams is included with Nulia Works Complete licenses. Users can search for and install the app themselves from the Teams App Store, or admins can make the app available tenant-wide. Once installed, the Nulia Works Teams app can be used in the browser, desktop, and mobile versions of Microsoft Teams. We're excited about this new addition to Nulia Works. Stay tuned as we expand the Nulia Works for Teams app to deliver the full Nulia Works experience, meeting users where they are, working in Teams. To unlock the value of Teams and all of Microsoft 365 for your organization, request a full demo of Nulia Works and the new Teams app.